Hey guys, today we're going to be going through the lab scenario 1.1, and we are going to configure a new controller and add licenses to that controller. Then we will console into an access point and set the master to the newly configured controller, and also we will provision an AP into an AP group. So let's get started. We've got the CLI pulled up here. It's asking for a name. Let's go Airheads 3200, and it's going to be a master. Let's accept that. And here's the address for the controller, the VLAN 1 address. We want that mask. Gateway. Use the gateway that you have. If you have a lab set up already, just use that gateway and adjust the VLAN 1 interface accordingly to work with it. Yes, we are restricted. Enter your time zone. And that's good. Good. Okay, here's where we set the password for the login. And the password for enable mode. We do not want to shut down all the ports. So let's accept this, and the controller will reboot. Alright, now the controller's had a chance to reboot, and the CLI is back up. So what we need to do now, we're going to add a license. We'll do one with the CLI and we'll do one with the GUI. All right. Okay. There we just added a firewall license. Now we'll do another one in the GUI. This is the new controller we just configured. The GUI's up. So we want to add another license to it. We can do that right here. This, we will be adding an RF Protect license. Okay, so we have the license added. Now we need to get started on getting an AP tied to this controller. First, what we need to do is we'll need to create an AP group to provision the AP into. So here we want to add a new one. Okay, that's how difficult it is to create an AP group. Okay, now that we have the AP group put together, we need to turn off controller plane security. That enables the access point to jump right on the controller. So to do that, we need to go to controller, and it's up here. And let's disable that. Be sure to apply it. And just for safe measure, let's save the config. Perfect. Okay. Now we will need to console into the access point to set the master IP for the access point. So let's get a putty session open. And there we go. We need to break the boot sequence. Whoops. Oh. Okay, now let's save. And alright, now we need to reboot it. Okay, so the boot sequence is finished, and as you see, it's got an IP, and the master is .74, which is what we need it to be. Alright, now let's see what it looks like if we've got the AP up. Alright, so we have the AP up. Now we need to provision the access point. Let's go to AP installation. Let's select it, provision. We're going to put it in that group we created, MyCorp. We're going to accept the defaults through here. You can get pretty specific with how you want the access point set up, but we're just going to accept it. And let's reboot. And when the access point comes back up, it will be provisioned and in the proper AP group. Okay, I believe the access point has had time to reboot. So let's see if that guy has came back up. Yes, it has. So let's look it over. It is in the proper group. So I believe we are good. We have completed this lab. And keep watching back in the training section for more labs. Thanks guys. Have a good day.